Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can solve your phone's camera is always on and spying on you problem and how you can turn this off. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you can do is simply gonna have to first monitor the camera and microphone. So what you need to do is you need to simply go ahead and check whenever your camera is active, you're supposed to see a green dot appears at the top of your screen, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to swipe down from the top right of your screen to open the control center. And then when you're using a particular app, then you will find the name of app on top right here, right? So that's how you will know what app you have been using. Next thing you can do is you can revoke app permission. For that, you can go to settings. And then you have to go to privacy and security, and you need to go to the camera section. And then you will see a list of apps that have requested the permission, right? Simply go ahead, switch it off of that you don't want to, of the app that you don't want to have access with or you feel suspicious about. Then what you can do is you can simply also disable the lock screen camera. For that, go ahead, go to the settings again. And from the settings section, you're going to go to camera right over here. You're going to scroll to the bottom and you're going to simply go ahead, toggle off the lock screen, swipe to open camera section. And that should also make you feel not spied or not seen through your camera. If it still bothers you a lot, then you can simply go ahead, hide the camera app entirely so it can't be opened by anyone. For that, you can go to settings, and from settings you're gonna go to screen time, and from the screen time you're gonna go ahead, go to content and privacy restriction. Then you're going to go ahead to tap on allowed apps and features. Once you have done that, then you will be able to toggle off camera entirely, and that's it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.